wega ati ndathi ndauga project ino ni ngwamu ni ngumenya ndainuka ndigukora they safe ndigukora thigari cijetereire kana tondu ni kukoretwo na cases nyingi cia abductions na nyingi ikoragwo ci critics a thirikari ni ukaigwa mundu ni oragwo tondu rari critic wa mundu fulani na go criticize thirikari ti mehia tondu riri ni ndi murihi wa igoti ni ndi ndamenyerere mbeca ciakwa ri niki ciikaga then ri no tuhuthire platform ya tuna especially social media tondu nikuo turi tucihuthire riri for the betterment of the country no ri uri cia tuikire cia maundu mangi relevant ni maundu irrelevant no tutarure ni knewa kuna public participation tuhuthire platform citu tukuga atiriri public participation you know igakorwo mweri 25 kana igakorwo mweri ciganona na igakorwo ha no ngenda guthie haha ri ukuma ho kana kuya ngari no uthie nginya handu kana ukauga atiriri no watuma pini handu wa gukomika online tondu we are not there yet ni tuhuthire platform citu kuhena information tarure finance bill ri ya Nyandarua ri ndio irekwo ri participation ndio irekwo ri nerekwo ko nerekiruha no riri we county government kana andu arĩa mena information yori mangithi ma post call yo online ri na ithu ni share o ni akuona ucio ngi ni akuona so ri tuthire platform citu tuwe nacio tondu already tu digital nigetha ri tuthie ground ona tarua maretha kura ri mambagio online magacoka magathie ground tondu at the end of the day ri maendeleo meko background koguo ri ithu tutamba unjithiri ni tu meoriri tuthie ground ko ground ni ko maundu marekirwo
ikireria. Public participation should be attached to an individual. Also for accountability. If it is digitized, the government has the resource to mobilize pseudos and bloggers to push an agenda.
Exactly.
Kwenda njokie
tunene no magoma
eno giceke muri atutigatire tugicokera ri do you think riria mundu oka ta mutongoria a post kaundu no thi wa na mbere mwamuruma ni tuteithikaga
nyambe njuge atiriri nie ndi mutongoria no ho nie ndirio muteti nyambe ngwire atiriri we the political class kana the seniors in the political class ni makwenda meite kamucemanio tondu for a long time ni makoretwo makiu you know things were not the way they were 10 years ago 10 years ago mubunge ni agiokiria nyururia andu na marume na athie na gutire mundu ukumuria kiuria so they need to work on their relationship na wajiko wa kawaida tondu clearly there is a very big gap not only people who are very emotionless na Kenya we seem like people who no longer care even who dies ukaigwa mundu uga ategiko ni marakwire we move on na the moment ado mubunge era a Kenya mundu fulani oragwo jenzi moragwo to move on by mistake or unfortunately mubunge akwa the next day Kenya makauga atiri mumoni umuthenya umwe move on oria muraturie to move on the political class needs to be very cautious maundu maria maruga moka mathiko moka macinani tondu ni turahutia andu ngoro na andu tha icire emotionally ndu wa economic strains ri mena depression urathi ugakora mundu atirire ena depression yake etereire tu ohutie kaundu kana mutriga 5 years ago akwaruke kaundu tanikinya weci ano akwaruke no anyita so the political class needs to sit down and realize we can no longer spin the ball how it has been ni mahe wajiko wa kawaida gitio na mabe maririkane o wajiko akiheagwo gitio ri niho gitio kia wajiko gigucoka hari mutete tondu haya twerekeire urikoraga ona barabara andu mona accident ni era involve ngari cia thirikari makauga asa no nire ngari ire ya thigari iragwite na andu makauga atire acio tutinge mateithia tondu tukumateithia ucio twathi maandamano ri oke ahure rithathi so we need to work on that
Shesheni hakuhe nawe.